Hello, this is Mrs. Cooper with the weekly update for the week of January 8th, 2021. Here are some upcoming events. Thursday, January 14th, 2021 will be a virtual secondary stakeholders meeting. During this meeting, parents and community members are invited to give their input to help make PBMA the very best school it can be. The Google Meets link will be sent home soon. Our high school will participate in a virtual career day on January 12th. Martin Luther King Day will be celebrated on Monday, January 18th. There is no school. The week of January 25th is Celebrate Literacy Week at our elementary campus. Many fun events are scheduled to make reading fun and exciting. More information will be sent home soon. Monday, February 1st is a teacher work day. No school for students. Charter school students must re-enroll in school every single year. The re-enrollment packets are going home to on-campus students today. All virtual students need to stop by the school and pick up their packets. We will have all 4 languages available if needed. All packets are due on Friday, January 29th. After that date, we will open up enrollment to new students, and you may have to be entered into a lottery to attend the school next year. So please look in your student's backpack for that packet, and please come up to school if you're virtual. Please make sure to get those packets back ASAP. It is extremely important to complete free and reduced lunch forms for your student if you haven't already done so. This year, all students were automatically accepted. However, in order to qualify for next year, forms must be completed by February 1st. In addition to free or low-priced meals, students can now qualify for additional assistance including tutoring programs, eyeglasses, free SAT testing, summer camps, college application fees, and scholarships. Plus, PBMA receives funding based upon these forms for additional staffs and materials. Please complete the form even if you think your family does not qualify. The link can be found on our website under the Parents tab. Go to Forms and Links to Food Services. Plus, I will email it home to parents. Here is a message from Ms. Roop.
Welcome back, PBMA families, and a happy new year. We are excited to start off with the 2021 year. January is a very, very busy month for our students. Lots of testing going on. Our kindergarten through 2nd graders will be taking their mid-year iReady diagnostics starting on Monday, January 11th. The window is for 2 weeks. They will be testing in both reading and math. I cannot stress the importance of taking this assessment seriously and ensuring students at home do take it independently. This information gives teachers exactly what they need to know to gear their instruction on what your child needs to know. It is very important that this test is taken seriously and independently. Our 3rd through 5th graders will start taking the school district winter diagnostics beginning next week as well. 3rd and 4th grade will be taking both reading and math, and 5th grade will be taking reading, math, and science. This assessment is also extremely important because it gives us an idea of how they will perform on the FSA and what standards we really need to focus on to make sure they get a good score. 3rd through 5th grade will be taking their mid-year iReady diagnostics starting the week of February 1st, and that will be in both reading and math. Teachers will be sending home more information on exactly the date and time that those diagnostics will be taking place. So keep an eye out for that information. We only have 3 days left to vote for Palm Beach Maritime Academy to be the best school in Palm Beach County. So please make sure you have voted. I know parents work very hard, our students work very hard, and so do our staff. So we really want to get that recognition for our school. Please vote every day. We greatly appreciate your support. Re-enrollment packets will be going home this week. Please make sure you send that back as soon as possible. Students who are physically in the building will take the packets home with them. Students who are in distance learning, those packets will be available for pickup at the front office. You may come anytime during the school day between 8:30 and 1:30 to pick them up, or after dismissal at 3:30, and the building is open until 6 to pick up those packets. You can either report right to the front desk or you can call and someone will bring it out to you. Well, I am looking forward to seeing what 2021 has in store for us at PBMA. And students, please remember to be responsible, respectful, and ready to learn.
If you would like your child to switch from distance learning to in-person learning or from in-person learning to distance learning, please send me an email. My email address is scooper@pbmalantana.org. Please allow about a week for us to make the switch for your student. It's testing time at the secondary campus. Midterm exams will take place January 19th to 22nd. All exams will be completed online and can be done both on campus and at home. FSA retakes for 11th and 12th graders will take place during the whole month of February. Specific dates will be given later. ESOL testing will take place during the month of February for specific students. Parents will be notified in writing by January 25th, 2021. Here's Mr. Holligan.
Hello, parents. I'm Mr. Holligan, assistant principal here at Palm Beach Maritime. It's testing season coming up. Starting next week will be our district winter diagnostic assessment, which is starting on Thursday, January 14th, which will be grades 3 through 5 ELA. Friday, January 15th will be grades 3 through 5 math. And Tuesday, January 19th will be only 5th grade science. So it'll only be for grades 3 through 5. This is our winter diagnostic, which is pretty much a practice FSA assessment. The results of our winter diagnostic will provide valuable information about your child's readiness for success or deficiency within the content areas of English, language arts, which is reading, math, and science. The results will help teachers develop lesson plans to meet your child's individual needs and offer useful information for you and your students on their overall achievement for each standard. Earlier this week, a parent survey was sent by Ms. Cooper to our parents of our distant learners regarding whether they would like their child to come on campus or test online at home. Please note, the state of Florida does not offer a remote online option for their FSA standard assessment. That assessment will be paper-based for grades 3 through 5. Your child will have an opportunity to participate in a practice FSA test, which is our winter diagnostics, to become familiar with the paper-based items and response formats that he or she will see on the Florida standard assessment. This message here is for online parents. If you selected no on the survey, your child will test online at the same time as our brick and mortar students. If you selected yes, your child will test in the building on January 20th for grades 3 through 5 ELA, January 21st for grades 3 through 5 math, and January 22nd for 5th grade science. Testing will start at 8:20, so please have your child in the building ready to test at 8 a.m. sharp. Testing will last about 90 minutes, so you will be able to pick your child up at 10:30 after testing. If you have any questions regarding the survey or testing or the testing dates, anything regarding testing, please reach out to me, to Mr. Holligan, which is me, and I will get back with you. All right? So please, online parents, please fill out that survey that Ms. Cooper sent out earlier this week. Thank you.
Ms. Fisher interviewed more students about their favorite Baccarat gallery photographs. Let's hear all about it.
Hey guys, it's Ms. Fisher here, and we just wanted to do a quick summary of some of the beautiful photographs that are around our school. I have Kiari, Janaya, and Javier, and basically they want to talk about some of the pictures, some of their favorites, so I'm going to turn it over to Javier first. Javier did a poem about one of his, and he chose this photograph. Go ahead, Javier, and tell everyone at home why that's your favorite.
Because I think the culture looks good, and I like the outfit is interesting, and the towers look beautiful.
Excellent job. Janaya chose this photograph. So Janaya, go ahead and tell everyone at home why you chose this one as your favorite.
The reason why I chose this one as my favorite because it has
the beautiful clothing, and it is from Augustan, and I would never even be able to probably try to do the balls that they're doing, so I just like it. It's something new and different from other places.
Good job. And Kiari chose this beautiful picture from Burma. Go ahead, Kiari.
I like this picture because they look like they're brothers, and the clothing is very different.
Excellent job. So we have students who enjoy all the photographs, and we're going to send some more your way, and we appreciate you watching, and we appreciate you guys for sharing your insights on the photographs. Thanks, and have a good day.
Congratulations to our Teachers of the Month. The elementary teacher of the month is Miss Lubin. She is an excellent 5th grade teacher. Our teachers and students just love her. She is our English and Language Arts Department lead, and she supports teachers and staff. Thank you for all your hard work. The secondary teacher of the month is Miss Memon. Miss Memon brings enthusiasm, excitement, vast knowledge, and a love of learning to her 6th grade science class. She's always willing to lend a helping hand, and she's an incredible team player. Thank you to both of them. And finally, here are our secondary Sharks of the Week. Please remember to like and follow us on Facebook to stay informed of important information. I'm Mrs. Cooper, and this is Bailey. Thanks for watching, and remember, an engaged parent is a great parent.